we actually have selected this crystal beet cultivar that has a little bit of upright canopy, upright leaves, so that it is more open between the rows so that cover crop can grow. So that way, if you are selecting a cultivar that is more upright in positions, that can give better biomass, cover crop biomass growth. We need to accommodate cover crop or interseeding so that it does not really interrupt that nitrogen dynamics of sugar beet. So if you are going too early, then it takes out the nitrogen and the sugar beet can really see some nitrogen deficiency and it can hurt your root yield. Cover crop is really great for suppose like take out the nitrogen, excess nitrogen, but we need to also consider that it should not take too much nitrogen so that we are sacrificing the root yield. For each species, we have some objectives. For winter rye, that why did we pick the winter rye? Because it overwinters and it gives you the protection during the fall for the soil movement, and in spring it also grows up before you plant a spring planting of your main cash crop. So it really protects your soil for both seasons. So that is really the rationale behind picking up this winter rye. Second, for that peas, we just want to add some nitrogen for the next crop. Another thing that we selected that camelina and mustard because it is a brassica family. It gives more diversity in your rotation, and some researchers they found it protects the sugar beet crops from this plant pathogen like nematodes. Another thing that you can see that camelina and mustard is more kind of upright, not like that peas that kind of rolling on the ground. So it has better chance to grow than this winter rye and these other crops. Flax, when it dries out, it kind of really works as a barrier to accumulate the snow and recharge your groundwater. So that is the reasoning behind this incorporating flax in our rotation. If you want to go for interseeding cover crops in sugar beet, go for it. It is not going to really has any negative impact on your root yield and sugar content. It depends on your soil and it depends on your kind of experience from your previous years, and you build up that experience to find out that which one is best work for your soil.